The Line Defender is a single-phase power fuse cutout mounted recloser used to reduce unnecessary permanent outages. It is mounted in a Hubbell power fuse cutout and recloses several times to clear a transient fault. If the fault is persistent, the Line Defender locks out to isolate the affected circuit. Upon lockout, the vacuum bottle opens, the semaphore turns green, and the beacon flashes for safety and easy identification of a fault. Once locked out, the device is ready for quick restoration but needs to be manually closed by a technician. Power can be safely and quickly restored from the ground by easily manipulating the yellow handle with an extended hot stick. Follow these steps to install a Line Defender single-phase recloser. The Line Defender will arrive in one box containing the recloser and power fuse cutout mounting. The contents are uniquely designed to securely hold the recloser for programming. Do not drop a Line Defender recloser or subject any of its parts to undue stress during unboxing or installation. Only remove the Line Defender recloser from the box when you are ready for installation. Always follow your company's personal protection equipment guidelines when handling a Line Defender recloser. To ensure proper performance, the Line Defender units must be mounted in a Hubbell power fuse cutout mounting with the supplied mounting bracket. Make sure the power fuse mounting is properly installed and electrical connections are made per your company's guidelines. Verify the Line Defender's vacuum bottle is in the open position before placing the recloser in the cutout. With gloved hands, insert the Line Defender into the power fuse cutout mounting. Guide the trunnion into the hinge of the power fuse mounting. With the device in the mounting, you can use a rigid hot stick to manually close the device to the cutout. When in a bucket truck, position the bucket's height and distance so you meet the minimum safety distance requirement set by your utility. The rigid and secure latching mechanism makes it easy to manually close the device. The user will hear an audible click to confirm the recloser is safely latched in mounting. After securing the Line Defender in the power fuse cutout mounting, the user is ready to energize the recloser. The user can safely and easily close the vacuum bottle by manipulating the yellow handle with a hot stick. This can be done from a bucket truck or from the ground in most cases. Once the vacuum bottle is closed, the semaphore will turn red, indicating the recloser is fully energized. Now the recloser is ready for normal use. The Line Defender features a dual-purpose red operation handle. The red handle makes it easy for a user to place the recloser in a one-shot operation mode. This can be programmed in the user interface to either instantaneous lockout or a non-reclose mode. The red handle can also be used to activate local communications, which will be discussed later in the video. In the event of a permanent fault on the distribution circuit, the Line Defender will perform up to 4 reclose operations in lockout. Upon locking out, the vacuum bottle will open and the recloser will physically remain in the power fuse cutout. The semaphore will turn green, and the beacon will flash for up to 4 hours after lockout, giving a user multiple indications the Line Defender is locked out. Once a user has cleared the downstream fault, power restoration is as easy as using the yellow handle to safely close the vacuum bottle from the ground. Once the user has closed the vacuum bottle, the semaphore will turn red, and the beacon will stop flashing to indicate the device is energized. The Line Defender offers means to easily create a visible break if the user wants to perform de-energized line work. Verify the vacuum bottle is open by pulling the yellow handle down and confirming the semaphore is green. By simply placing a hot stick into the hook stick ring and pulling downward, a user can easily create a visible break from a bucket truck or from the ground. In most cases, it can be operated from the ground. The recloser will open to approximately 45 degrees, creating a visible air gap. The specially designed trunnion holds the recloser at this angle until a user is ready to manually close the device. Closing the device can be done from a bucket truck or from the ground in most cases by entering a hot stick into the hook stick ring and manually pushing the device into the mounting until you hear an audible click, indicating the device is securely latched. Then you can re-energize the device by pushing the yellow handle up and confirming the semaphore is red. The Line Defender offers Wi-Fi and Bluetooth local communication. The user's preference can be programmed in the user interface, GridHub. GridHub is a complementary software tool for administration of Hubbell Utility Solutions intelligent devices. Quickly create, manage, and commission settings in an intuitive application that is packed with powerful tools and advanced reporting. If there is sufficient line load, the Wi-Fi or Bluetooth signal will already be broadcasting. If there is not sufficient line load, the user can use the external power module to power the recloser. This can be easily attached with a hot stick. Once attached, it will begin to broadcast a signal for the user to connect. Once the user has established connection with their preferred device, they will be prompted to enter security information such as a username and password. Once logged in, a user can change settings, download logs, and find other useful tools in the user interface. Thank you for watching. For questions or assistance, visit hubble.com. Line Defender. Make the switch.